Tini November ni Chibrwi Shalmariwo Mandai ni Don Bosco Rungnogo Bisi ni hake Phir Chibrwi Annual Day Kam Parents Day Palaijakkha Naithitok Rusamo Musamung Baike O Panda Khlaijagui tongo Pandawo Joto Rungsirnai Ma Phasrangbo Phaimajak phaibekya Pandawo Naroyo Khorangni manjak phaina tongmani Tiprasa Hamkari Montri Bikas Deborma Phia Kisa Samungo Kebung Phaimabai Phai Sokpailiya
Jotona khulumkha tini o sanja jora chung oro kuthumlaio tini Don Bosco High Secondary School ni mungui chung oro program khai tongo omokhe 14th Annual Day cum Parents Day celebration khailai tongo tini ni salo omoni o salo chung palaio chung borom ruo ma pasongno teibo okra chakra rokno tei chini cherai rok chini Bosconians rok borokni sokat borokni talents rokno hunugo jottono amoke annual program bisi brum no ungo amoke kotor panda o chini school ni te tini narwai song Parentrogni Father Sani tini Saint Joseph Parish ni Saint Joseph Parish Pitra ni bo hinke Parish priest te bini loge Parentrogni tini o amcheni SDFO Mr. Vincent Deborma te bo Parentrogni Father song sister song te okra chakra rok te oro phaina ni te bo tongkho haipono borokni jora ingani bagi tini phaimalia chini borom gnang minister Bikas Deborma te bo khoroksa father Jharkhand ni Ranchi ni bo inke ani teacher khelo get up bo prungkha bini saksori hamiani bagi phaimalia bo hinke first kuruk English medium mane matribhasha ko urang ni matribhasha class school chengkha apono bini saksori hamiani bagi phaimalia program ni schedule rok kaham kina sanamjak joto student rok nursery ni seme class 12 jora jani bhag khaijak abon bage obo bebak no nai omo program kisa kolok no haipono joto systematic no ngnai abo haike joto no prepare khaika kebono yakaria abo haike phaimanjak ma phasong no te okra chakra narwai joto no ang lamsogo te borok no koijawa tinin program no celebrate khlaidi no utsari di tebo je online nai tongo borokno ang khulum kha te ani khaya paro.
A very good evening to you all. Jotono sanja kaham. I am very delighted to stand on behalf of Don Bosco High Secondary School, Mandwi, on this lovely day to welcome in our midst our guests. So may I take this opportunity to welcome in our midst Reverend Father Joseph Palantatel, commonly known as and famously known as Father Sani, in our midst. Father Lucas Murmu, Assistant Parish Priest of Pitra Parish. Father Walsen, Father Hubert Turnian, Parish Priest of Mandwi Parish, and Madam Biloni Deborma, one of the MC members, and she is headmistress, principal of Mandwi High Secondary School, Mr. Vincent Devarma, SDFO of Mandwi here, present here, parents representative on this lovely day, Mr. Dinu Devarma, our parish secretary, Mr. Samal Devarma, sisters Prasabita and Sister Ivan from Holy Mary Central School, and parents and dear ones, parents, guardians, past peoples, teachers, sisters, Sister Victoria, Sister Wonderland, Sister Gita, Sister Jacinta, our brother Dini, and all the teachers and students. I welcome you all in our midst. And we would like to felicitate in our midst the invited guests. So may I call upon our teachers in church to bring. So may I call upon in our midst our chief guest of the day, Reverend Father Sani, parish priest of St. Joseph Parish, Pitra, and who is also celebrating his golden jubilee, that is 50 years of as a Salesian. So we give him a big round of applause. And today he is our chief guest because it is God's providence. Otherwise somebody is supposed to be chief guest, and God made that Father Sani should be chief guest. So we welcome you. Please come forward here. NCC can help. So we welcome him with our traditional risa and a badge and a memento. May I call upon Mr. Vincent Devarma. Golden Jubilee, therefore, is very special. May I call upon Madam Biloni Devarma. Let's give them a big round of applause. I also call upon Father Lucas Murmu, the dais, Father Walsen, Assistant Parish Priest of St. Alphonsus Parish, Kumulum. May I call upon in our midst Father Hubert Turnian, Ang Koizao, Kobogo, sini Mr. Dinu Devarma. parents representative tinini program ni bagi. Aboni agulo tini Paris secretary Mr. Samal Devarma. Ambo koizo, I request Sister Prasovita and Sister Ivan, please come forward. Sisters, please come forward. I also request Sister Victoria Sayo, Superior of Mandwi Convent, to come to the stage. Sister Victoria Sayo. Jotono ya par khorok de.
Father, welcome every one of us. Now I also request the girls to give to Father a principle. Father, please do accept it.
Thank you, dear fathers, sisters, and invited guests for coming and accepting our gifts of love and token of gratitude. Today we are celebrating 14th Annual Day Hohom Parents Day celebration. Annual Day Hohom Parents Day celebration is an event, is a very much expected event that our Bosconians and teachers and we would like to celebrate every year. So this year we are celebrating 14th Annual Day Hohom Parents Day, and the theme of this year is Cultural Mosaic, Embracing Diversity. Yes, we are all different in caste, creed, and language. Yet we come together and we make a rainbow. We make a beautiful place to live in. In our school, we have got students 680, and all the students comprises of various cultures and various tribes having different cultures and belonging to different religions as well, and speak different languages, and we make a variety. We live in harmony. We get educated. We educate. We embrace each other. We accept and accommodate and celebrate one another. So this is the crux of our living, that we come together and live together and we beautify this beautiful place. And on this lovely day, we are also happy to have and we honor him, our chief guest, Father Sani, who is celebrating 50 years of Salesian life. We are delighted to have him in our midst. Father is from Kerala, but he has given his life in this northeast for 50 years and more. So we congratulate him and wish him, and in a special way, for many years in Tripura he has been serving and he is doing yeoman service. So I request all of you to once again give a big round of applause. And we pray that he may continue to enjoy good health of mind and body and continue to serve the humanity. Tinini salat sing Palaijakkha annual day kum na pasongni sal abani bagi ang norak jotono khabai khubai lamsugo tini ni pandau phaina ni bagi norak no hambai borelo tamningke norak asuk hamjage norak ni cherai rokno o school rohoro tamningke norak puito khlayo Don Bosco school norak ni cherai rokno kaham education rinai all round education rinai amo puito teino norak chungna hamjage o school norak ni cherai rokno rohore tuma abon bagi cherai rok o salo norak jotono hambari namuchingo o annual day kum Parents Day celebration ni bisingti faide chung jotono juda tribe tongphanabo chung jotono thansake tumai mano abon bagi tinini o bisini Palaimungni theme hingke cultural mosaic embracing diversity mane kebangma cultures tono haipana chung jotono accept khayo jotono joto bai thansake tomo abose chini belai khino kaham ko abose jotono naithok khayo abon bagi tinini salo o sanjani jorao teiwaisa norok jotono khabai khubai lamsugo phaidi norok jotono lamsugo norok tinini salo nai cherai rok busuk se active busuk se talent gnang abono nai manai te abo haike cherai rok tornai te bo buddhi gyan manai te sunagrik nai abo ke chini Don Bosco ni imam tabuk Don Bosco High Secondary School jora tumo te abo haike no 680 tumo te bo kobama cherai rok arupuri manani bage chini provincial father economer te chini province wansugui chungno chubai tungo tebo school classroom building extension ingi tungo norok nungi tungo aban bagi tebo cererok orok purimano askuno ang sana mucungo o sarek ni jora tebo kolok ke sana mucung lia jotono tebo isa langsogo. Most welcome, enjoy this pleasant evening and have a good time.